This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. The BT600S speed variable peristaltic pump for lab, industrial, agricultural, and medical use. Driver dimensions. Main components on the front panel. Main components on the rear panel. Display panel and control keys. Open the BT600S peristaltic pump package and check all items against the packing list to ensure they are complete and undamaged. Driver, YZ15T pump head, product catalog, manual, power cord, and accessories. When using the product, reserve at least 200 mm of space at the rear. Installation of the YZ15T pump head and tubing. Align the flat shaft of the pump head with the groove of the driver coupling and push in. Then turn the pump head so that the screw holes of the pump head are aligned with the screw holes of the pump head bracket of the driver and push in. After fitting the pump head and its bracket, put 2 fixing screws into the fixing holes of the pump head and tighten them. Pull the pump head lever to open the pump head, put the tube into the pump head smoothly and straighten it, pull the lever in the opposite direction to the horizontal position, and the tube is installed.